Watching the sunrise in a deer stand, hell yeah, that's my kind of country. Casting a ride out on the lake.
Good morning. We're over here on a job site today. It's Saturday. New building. Contractor called us up. Needs a skid steer for some work. Putting sand in a mixer. So we're here. See how long this is gonna be. So far, doesn't look good. The truck driver get his truck into a friggin' driveway. So we'll see what kind of day this is gonna turn out to be. But at least I got good sights to look at, and we'll see what happens the rest of the day.
Listen up. Digging up dirt with these two hands, praying for rain.
Alright, so like I said, let's see what today turns out to bring. And here we are already. I just got the skid steer off of the trailer, and the guys come over to me, and apparently the truck with all the material on it fucking crashed this morning. So now we're tracking down to where the truck is, and we're gonna get the sand bucket that I need, and whatever other materials they need to complete this job. But I guess it's all in a day's work, right? There's always something that fucking happens. You can't make this stuff up. It's just part of being in business, and I guess things happen, right? So it is what it is, right? No such thing as easy money, right? But we'll get it done. So I just got the lowdown on what happened this morning with all the screw ups here. So their truck broke down, and the contractor came down with the excavator to help them out and get the truck off of the road. And in doing so, I guess whatever he had hooked up to the truck came apart, and the truck rolled into a telephone pole and destroyed the front of the truck. So now all the powers to be are trying to figure out who's going to pay for all the damage. So they're all over there having their powwow, and eventually we'll get this job done today. So it's just a waiting game now. Alright, so this job finally started. We're over here feeding the pumper truck. I guess they're pouring floors inside this beautiful house here. Got all this splashback on my skid steer. Gotta get this washed off by the time we're done. Otherwise tomorrow will be a mess.